Hi, this is Mustafiz and welcome to Dukan Cloud Page Builder series. Today I will show how to use the drop-down block and customize it. To use the block, we need to drag this block and drop into our template. After dropping the block, on the left we can see there are 3 tabs available for customizing this block. So on the content tab, there are 2 sections available for customizing the drop-down. First, the button, and second, the content. So button section, we'll customize the button content of the drop-down. Let's see, we can change the text of the button. We can toggle the button. We can change the order of the button. On the icon section, we can change the icon. We can toggle the icon. Also, you can change the order of the icon. We can also add image to the drop down. You can toggle the image, and also you can change the order of the image. Let's reset the order. On the content section, we can change the side of this drop down content panel. If you set, let's set it to top, right, bottom, left. We can also add side offset. We can align the content panel. We can also align offset. We can add also align offset to the drop down. And for the avoid collision, imagine if we set the drop down content panel on the top or the left, you can see there are no available space for showing the content of the drop down. So if we want to avoid this kind of collisions for our drop down, we can check the avoid collisions, and then the drop down content will automatically pop up in our available space. So now if I set it to top, it will move to bottom because there is not available space on the top. From the style tab, we can customize the style of the drop down. So here we can also find 2 sections available for customizing it. So on the button section, we can add width to the button. Let's add some background to see the width. We can add height. We can add spacing, which will add space between the image, text and the icon. We can align these items inside the button. We can also add some padding, margin. We can change the typography. You can also add styles for hover, normal and focus mode. Let's change the color for the normal mode. For the hover, let's change the background. So 600. And also add border. Let's change the border color. Let's add some border radius. We can also change the icon color of this button and make it black. Let's change the size of the button icon. We can add width and height of this image. So on the content section, we can change the content, customize the content area style. So let's add some content here. So add some width of this drop down content area. You can also change the height. You can also add some padding. Margin. You can add border. Change the border color also. And also change the border radius. Let's add some box shadow. Let's change the background color of this drop down. So that's it for customizing the content and button of the drop down. For the advanced settings, please check out our block advanced settings video.